sun cleanup. So he's using for the first time his tools of the trade, cleaning up all the feet of his couch.
I'm becoming a handyman.
Since we moved. Handyman since we moved on this house, yeah?
That's right.
And look at the new carpet. Ooh la la.
Been a handyman for a month. For 5 weeks.
And this is how he clean. He vacuum. Then he mop all this floor. So actually he already done the 1/4 of the lounge area.
It's got to be schmick, Mum.
So that's 1/4, yeah? 1/4.
Mickey
all
Mouse.
morning, and he has to leave soon.
Oh, where is he going? Oh yeah, Ian. And of course, the beautiful princess is here, waiting for daddy, sitting quietly,
Hello.
like a good girl. Hi, Ian.
Hello, Mum.
Hmm.